Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to my second video of this chase game. Alright, so first things first, let me quickly change this to chase. Right, so now we can actually start with the video. Alright, so first, let's change the backdrop. It's a bit too plain if you ask me. Okay, so then we got the backdrop, we got the cat, we got the dinosaur. Okay, first let's go to the cat. Okay, so first, what we're gonna do is, if the cat touches the dinosaur, then we're gonna make it so that the backdrop changes to a backdrop that says you died, and it also pauses the game. So let's start. So after you get your normal ordinary stuff, you go to sensing, go to touching, then you choose dinosaur, which is this sprite here. So if touching dinosaur, then first you wanted to choose the backdrop, so you tell this to stop, so you don't broadcast the message. Then you also have to stop it, so you press stop all. Now let's go to the backdrops. Go to the backdrops, delete the first backdrop, duplicate it, because we need to make the you died backdrop. Okay, but it's always nice if the you died is like red. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this looks like a good position. You died. Okay, so now let's do it like when I receive the message. What do? Well, you switch the backdrop to blue sky 2. So now let's see. It does change the backdrop to what I do, but blue sky 2 in the first place. It doesn't switch. Why is that? Well, we never asked it to change it to blue sky 1, which is just blue sky. So we have to put what is clicked when you click this, which is to start. You have to change it to blue sky 1 or just blue sky in the first place. Okay, so now let's just double check to see if you got it covered. Yes, you got it covered, even though sometimes this is above it so you can't see, but that isn't a big problem. So just not mind that. Okay. So what we are gonna do next is this. So we're gonna make another sprite, say an apple. Then make it here, and make it like just run around, like go random position here, random position there. So we make it so that this thing, we'll make this a little faster, so it's a bit more terrorizing. It should be a bit more faster now. Yep, because we don't want it to be too easy, but we also don't want it to be too difficult. So we're gonna make it so that there's a sprite, say this ball. Let's make it smaller first. So this ball, once I've got my code correct, will theoretically move around in a random position. Then this cat, which is young player, will get chased by this, or I try to chase the ball, which is moving in a random direction. If the cat touches the ball, they get teleported back to their original positions, but the cat has one more life. So then, if the dinosaur touches it, then the cat dies. So we can only broadcast message 1 and stop all if the lives equals 0. Alright, so first things first, let's make the ball move to a random position. I'll make it a bit faster. Right, let's see if the speed is certified. It's not bad, but it's okay. It's not that catchable either, but it's still pretty doable. So I'm just gonna lower it just a bit, like maybe for 2 seconds. Actually 0.2 seconds, but okay. Alright, so now that should do for now. Okay. So basically, since we wanted to do that, it gives you an extra life. We have to do it so that same thing as this. Forever, if touching the ball, then let's make a variable called lives. Okay, so then now, but if touching ball, we have to change lives by 1. Oh, also, you should always do this whenever you have a variable. You should set your lives to 0 at the start. Wait, no, to 1. Sorry, to 1, because otherwise you die immediately. So first, now just counter it that it straight away dies when the dinosaur touched it. So you have to take this out, and we'll have to do this. If touching dinosaur, then we'll take the lives. Wait, does that change? Change the lives by -1. And wait, where's my if loop? Okay, wait, here. So if lives is less than 1, which is essentially 0, then we broadcast message 1 and stop. Oh, we should do stop. So let's see if it works. Okay, so first we have to actually catch the ball. Ooh, our lives just got increased a lot, and it just got decreased a lot. Even if it touched once, it gets increased a lot. And if it touched the dinosaur once, it decreased by a lot. So how do we solve this? Well, basically, just make it wait 1 second. Oh, wait one second. Okay, so let's see if it works now. Okay, I have to catch it first. Okay, I got 3 lives. Let me get touched. Okay, so now I'm at 2 lives. So it works. Okay. But I'm mainly just catching it due to luck. Yeah, all I can say to you is good luck. Just basically good luck. Just good luck winning this game. If you actually do make it, I applaud you. Okay, so now let's try to make it a timer. Okay, so it works. It actually works. Okay. So first, let's make a timer to count down, right? Okay, so then, like all timers in my previous videos, if you watched them, we're gonna set them to you can, if you want to make this yourself, you can make this to whatever amount of minutes you like. Simple math class here. 60 seconds equals 1 minute, so 60 seconds, then you have 60 seconds to try not to die. But let's just give it 120, which is 2 minutes. Okay, so then we have to do just to not mess up my code too much here, when clicked forever forever change lives. Wait, no, sorry, not lives. And not that either. Timer by -1. Right, so now let's see if it works. It's getting reduced like crazy. That's not 1 second. That's completely not 1 second. Now, if you remember, we had the same problem with our lives variable. And we can use the same solution. Can we do it? Wait 1 second. Let's test it out. It should work. But now, you saw when it went crazy like this. It could go all the way to the minus. How do we fix that? Well, we can do this. Forever. If timer is less than 0, then we stop all broadcast message 1. Let's see this. Okay, but like since you take an extra 2 minutes and we don't have time for that, you just boop this out and just watch it dramatically shrink. Yep, but now it says you died, which really isn't fair because you didn't die, you won. So we duplicate this, change this to you won. So then we need to make a new message. Yay. Okay, so then broadcast a different message. Broadcast message, new message, new message. You can call it whatever. It really doesn't matter. You can call it whatever you want. You can call it speed. You can call it timer. You can call it lives. You can call it anything. Okay, so now broadcast new message. Go to backdrop. When I receive new message, go to backdrop tree. So looks, switch backdrop to blue sky tree. Let's test this out for the last time. Okay, I gotta shrink it back to super fast timer going down. Okay, just let it run. Hey, okay. So now, this is the completed chase game with its lives and its timer. So now this is the end of the chase series. Unless I decide to do more, which I probably won't. So yeah, this is it. Bye.